Hello and good day. And so in this video, I'm going to be going over how HelloFresh meals are delivered. And so if you're wondering how HelloFresh meals are delivered, it depends on how many meals you have actually ordered. So every week I tend to order only about 3 to 4 meals. And so all of that fits in one box. Now, this one box can actually stay outside. So I live in a place where sometimes the weather can be as hot as like 100 degrees outside. This box is well insulated and they include like these 3 large recyclable ice packs to make sure that your food actually stays fresh. So my boxes have been delivered before as early as like 9 a.m. and then they've stayed outside all the way up until like 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. and the meals were still good. So obviously I recommend that you get your boxes into your fridge as fast as possible. But HelloFresh themselves, I do feel like they package their boxes well enough to kind of cater to the idea that just in case you don't pick up your HelloFresh boxes in time, they can stay in the box for quite some time and still stay fresh. So this has happened to me multiple times in which the boxes that I've had, they've stayed outside for quite a bit some time, and even so, I've actually still packed them from the box and placed them inside the fridge. And the really cool thing is that those recyclable ice packs that they give you, they are reusable, so I do actually reuse them for camping. But even so, I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't signed up for HelloFresh just yet, you can use my link down below to actually get a free box off your first meal, so go ahead and try it out.